Hello, my name is Jessica. I only offer verified offers. Please follow our channel so I can send you the latest news. The link is in the description. Here are the clear and organized terms and conditions for the Valitax No Deposit Welcome Bonus. $30. Summary of the main terms. Recipients: new clients from South Asia only, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. Bonus: $30 added automatically after registration and full verification. Mail, phone, ID, address. Validity period: 14 days from the date of receiving the bonus, after which the bonus and any unwithdrawn profits will be removed. Trading requirements: complete 5 standard lots within 14 days. Withdrawal: only the resulting profit can be withdrawn. The bonus amount, 30, cannot be withdrawn. Minimum profit withdrawal, $30. Maximum profit withdrawal, $150. Exceptions: no manipulation, arbitrage, cross positions, risk reduction is allowed. No internal transfer of bonus to other accounts. The offer is limited to the first 1,000 clients only and may end early. Steps to claim the bonus: register a new account on Valitax. Complete verification. Email, mobile number, ID, and proof of address. Upon verification, the bonus will be automatically credited. Start trading and complete 5 standard contracts within 14 days. When you achieve a profit between $30 and $150, you can request a withdrawal. Additional notes: the offer is currently active from June 4th to July 2nd, 2025, or until the quota for the first 1,000 clients expires. Reduced or increased conditions apply according to Valitax policy. It is recommended to contact support to confirm before registering. If you're interested in having me trade for you using a free $30 bonus and then splitting the profits between us, just contact me. I have the experience to manage capital and achieve optimal results. Contact me now on Discord. Link in description. Seats are limited, so don't miss out. Let me help you earn extra income without you having to pay anything out of pocket. https://ma.velatax.com P967780